Hey, Bessie.
Good morning, friends. Welcome back to the vlog. Happy birthday if today's your birthday, and welcome back to day 6 of Vlogmas, I believe.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
Oh, it is Monday over here, and I try to get out of bed as early as possible. No, that's not true, because I woke up at like 7:15, or Molly woke us up at like 7:15. I really could have gotten up then. I was not feeling too tired, but I just didn't want to. But I got up at like 8 o'clock. That way I could start getting my day rolling. There's a lot to do during Vlogmas between editing and getting everything uploaded and situated. It can be a lot, so had to make sure that I got it done. Rocking the Vlogmas mug since it's Monday. Still available down below, you guys. Go check her out. Molly Cat, why are you going crazy? Why are you going crazy? Hi. Yeah, I know. You're acting like a crazy person. Calm down. Calm it down, girlfriend. Just fed her, and she does this every time. Right after I fill her bowl, she eats a little, and then she's too excited, so she starts running around like a crazy person, and then makes herself sick. Drives me freaking nuts out. Anyway, it's sort of dark in here this morning. It must be like a little bit of a cloudy day. So we turn our Christmas lights on with our little mini remote, which I love. Tree, sideboard, TV. Yay. Oh, it makes me so happy. It's so pretty in here. I get a coffee in for Connor before we start work. Here I was being a nice girlfriend, making Connor some coffee so that when he came out in the morning, he would have a cup waiting for him. And he comes out looking like this.
Just your old ball and chain looking for some coffee. I don't understand.
Oh, wow. I told him that he looks like Ted Lasso, don't you guys think?
I need my little treats.
Yeah, exactly. Your pastries.
A pastry.
It makes you, it fits your personality, and by that I mean you look like a dad. Straight into work today, you guys, so I will check in with you a little later. Here we go again. Cat on my lap while I'm trying to work here.
She's living on you again?
Oh yeah.
You sitting?
Okay, good girl. Guys, just powered through so much work. It's 1:15 now and definitely time for lunch. We still have quite a bit to do today. I'm sort of planning on working late today just because I want to get a ton done and just get a little bit ahead. Tomorrow during the day I'm gonna be out and about a little bit more, so I want to make sure that I get all my ducks in a row. But let's go make some lunch. So for lunch, I think I want to try one of these soups that I got from Trader Joe's, and I want to try the one I was most excited about, kimchi and tofu soup. That sounds so good, right up my alley. Yeah, this sounds great. Very, very pumped for this. So you could just make it in the microwave. You heat it up for, they said 5 to 6 minutes. So that's what I'm gonna do. And we will sample this baby together.
Are you serious? What are you doing in a hot tub? I'm sorry, I can't hear you out of a hot tub. Hello? Are you serious?
Okay, let's try this soup, shall we? I brought some sriracha too, just in case I want it to be a little spicier. But it looks really good. It's definitely small. I feel like I'll maybe need to snack on something afterwards. It has tons of like black rice in it, which is yummy. Oh my god, that is amazing. Oh, it does not need more spice. Oh my god. Oh my god, Connor has to try this. He's gonna die. You're gonna love it. It's amazing.
Oh my god.
How good is that? I know, isn't it delish? Yeah, that's
So
yummy. Thank you very much.
I love when anything has like kind of a unique taste like that.
I know,
It's
right?
nice and different. It's good.
It was
curb.
so different than what I expected.
Yeah.
In the best way.
Very good. Very good.
So good. Absolutely love this. Now I'm sad that I only got one of them, but I'll know for next time. And it gives me a lot of hope for those other frozen soups that I bought. Hopefully they're all good. In the meantime, I'm just gonna watch something on my laptop, and then this afternoon I need to work on scheduling some more posts for clients. So again, I'm just gonna be in like deep, dark work mode here for a second. Lunch was delish, but definitely not very filling. So I am gonna have a quantum bar, but I also wanted to have just a little drink to sip on this afternoon. So I'm gonna have some of my sparkling watermelon juice from TJ's. By the way, you guys recall the last time I went to Trader Joe's, like not a couple days ago, but before that, I was concerned that this may just be a summer product, but I saw it there still. Very excited about that. because I love these. It's so good. Guys, I'm legit so cold that I had to go get a blanket to use in the office here. I don't know what is wrong with me today, but my hands are just frozen. I like can't get any work done because I'm trying to like keep them warm by like keeping them under the blanket. I need to be able to use my keyboard. It's not going well. But what is going well is scheduling. Still have quite a bit to do as far as that goes, but getting there. We are getting there, friends. Sunset's looking nice, but we are not done with work yet. The neighbors are vacuuming apparently. Okay, there we go. Anyway, actually maybe we should wait for this to be done to have a little chat. Okay, friends, we are all wrapped up with most of our work for the day. I don't even know what time it is. Let's see. 6:45, so not too bad, but not a super early stop either. But I got so much done today. It's gonna make the rest of my week so much easier and lighter, which was really the goal. Oh, I hate when I can see my reflection in the mirror there. It's so distracting to me. Let's switch spots. I have to tell you guys, it's been more of a struggle than I realized taking on as much work as I have. I am so lucky and blessed to have so many opportunities and to have so much work coming my way. It's amazing, but whew, I may have overloaded myself. You know, it's just, I have a lot going on. You know, I have my YouTube channel, I have my social media marketing stuff, I'm getting back into my acting stuff. Like, it's a lot of balls to juggle, and that's just professionally, let alone personally, the things that I, you know, enjoy doing, want to make sure that I'm committing enough time to, spending time with people I love, traveling. I mean, there's so many things. And it's a lot. It's a lot to try to carry and hold and make sure that I'm giving the proper attention to everything. It's really tough. But I think I'm doing, honestly, a pretty good job of it, and I honestly don't know if I fully give myself enough credit a lot of the time for everything I do and how hard I really do work, and the fact that I'm able to like work hard and accomplish so much while still like keeping a lot of those balls in the air is pretty like cool of me. Oh, I hate giving myself compliments, but I'm trying to get better about giving myself credit and at least acknowledging the shit that I do, you know? Like, I need to get better about that, and it's hard. It is hard, but really, like, I work multiple full-time jobs and I make it all work somehow. I really very rarely drop the ball on any of them. So I need to get better about acknowledging how much hard work I'm putting into things and just being proud of myself, because I'm not very good at that. I often feel sort of behind in life, even though I know like rationally I'm not, but I can't help but feel that way sometimes, and so I need to get better about that. It's all part of the journey here, I suppose. But anyway, speaking of getting back into acting, I actually have an audition that I have to record this evening, so I guess not quite done with work yet, but at least this is fun work. It's a voiceover project, which is pretty cool. If you guys don't know, because maybe you don't, voiceover is my favorite. I love my voiceover auditions. They are just so much fun. This one is like super in my wheelhouse. Like, my favorite is when I audition for like kids projects or stuff like that, and I get to do like funny voices. I always think that that's really fun, but this will be great as well. She's sort of a valley girl, so I get to pull out the valley girl accent, vocal fry, you guys know. So that is exactly what I am going to work on right now. And then we can officially be done with work for the day. Thank goodness. I feel like I haven't talked to you guys all day. It was a really, really busy Monday, but a very, very productive one. I am actually really proud of myself for how much I got done today. Again, here we go. Pat myself on the back. You kept your head down, you got it done. So credit where credit is due. Okay, here is the setup, you guys. Very formal. I have my mic, recording on QuickTime. I obviously can't really show you the script or anything, but it's right there, ready to go. And I just finished scene 1, so we're gonna dive into scene 2 now. The first scene was sort of like bitchy, whatever, but this next scene is more emotional. It's just more real. Like, it's my character actually being who she is instead of playing into like this stereotype that she's created, or this character that she's sort of become. So it's gonna be something a little different. I'm looking forward to it. There you go. Mission complete. Have to go back in the office now. Just edit this so I can submit it, and then we can finally relax for the night. Brrr. The fridge is freezing me out, babe.
Freezing me out, man.
Freezing me out. You're taking this thing off your face.
I keep forgetting, I'm sorry.
So bad. Tomorrow morning.
Yeah.
Straight off. Otherwise I'll wax it off in your
So
sleep.
you just get one heavenly night with it. Enjoy, baby.
So dinner time. Dinner time. So we are gonna make sushi for dinner tonight. Our favorite. I just can't get enough of this meal. I could eat it twice a week, honestly. It's so good. This is looking so good. So excited for this meal. We're about to season up our rice. I thought I would show you what we do to try to sort of make it more like sushi rice, even though this is literally like 5-minute boil and bag rice. Okay, so I just do you want me to do yours too, babe?
Yeah, that'd be great.
A splash of rice vinegar, which always makes the rice taste sort of like sugarfish rice. So good. Then I just do a dash of soy sauce, not a ton, because we're gonna be dipping them in soy sauce still, but I just want to have a little flavor. And then the last thing is adding this, how do you say this? Furikake? Furikake?
I have no idea.
Rice seasoning though. Just top it, get it in there, and then give her a mix. So good. You have to try it this way. Oh.
Boo.
We're gonna watch A Cat in the Grate, but I wanted to show you guys really quickly how we eat the sushi because it's so good. Okay, here we go. First of all, you need soy sauce and you need dumpling dipping sauce.
I guess I should be doing this with you.
For making the little sushi, what you do is you take a piece of seaweed, you get some rice in there, wha-bam, like that. Then you're going to get some salmon, cucumber, Molly Cat going crazy, some avocado, of course. There you go. Literally just piling it all in there, and then kimchi, and then voila, you eat.
The best part.
Oh, it's so good.
Right? It's like solid sushi right there.
And it's really quick.
Yeah.
Such a fast dinner. I know I say that every time, but it's true. Alrighty, just finished a big clean of the kitchen after dinner, and now it is time for bed. It is almost 11 p.m. now. Oh, I'm exhausted, you guys. This day knocked it out of me. Oh man. I did just want to say that I think, although I haven't edited any of this vlog that you're watching yet, today because I don't know, I just didn't have time, so that'll be fun in the morning. But I'm pretty sure that it's a bit shorter than my other videos throughout Vlogmas have been so far. I have to tell you guys, these long videos are kicking my butt. Having to edit like an hour and a half of footage every single day is too much. To be honest, I am going to make a concerted effort to vlog slightly less throughout the day. I think it'll just start to happen naturally as Vlogmas moves on, because so many like events or like activities are happening in the beginning, like decorating and shopping and stuff like that, and then throughout Vlogmas it just becomes some more of normal life with some fun activities thrown in there, obviously, but I think you guys get the drill. So I am going to be trying to keep the vlogs slightly shorter just so that I can spend a little less time editing every single day. I hope that you guys don't mind. If there still are long vlogs, and I'm sure that there will be some, that's totally cool, but I am gonna do my best to keep them more around the 15-minute mark rather than like creeping up in the 20s, which almost every single one has been. I'm pretty sure today is shorter though, so tomorrow morning shouldn't be too much of a struggle. Fingers crossed for me. But thank you all for watching today. Thank you for watching Vlogmas so far. It actually has been pretty fun. I know I like sort of get anxious about it every single year, but once I'm in it, it really is fun. It's a lot of work, but it's fun. It's cool sharing like my day-to-day life with you guys for a whole month out of the year. It's really fun. And we still have lots more surprises ahead. I can't believe it. So yeah, thank you guys very much for everything. Thanks for all your support on the Vlogmas merch too. I'm so glad so many of you were able to get some. still available if you guys are interested. Check it out. It'll be available through the end of December. There you have it. I'm going to end this video now because, see, I just ramble like this and it takes me 10 years to edit the vlog. So this has gotta go. Thank you for watching today, and I will see you guys tomorrow for another day of Vlogmas.
So I'm offering